Our next video is all about the chronic back. Chronic back pain patients can also suffer acute flare-ups. In fact, most suffer approximately 1 to 2 flare-ups each year. These episodes are called acute on chronic back pain. Treatment of chronic back pain is much different to that of an acute back pain management. The most important thing in managing chronic back pain is to address the cause or causes of the pain. There's a huge range of these causes, which I will mention later. The most important thing is to address these causes with the help of a healthcare professional. Without the help of a healthcare professional, you may not be able to deduce the exact cause of your chronic back pain. The causes of chronic back pain include poor posture, general daily activities such as sports or hobbies that stress the back, biomechanical abnormalities, poor or repetitive lifting technique, muscle tightness, decreased strength, decreased muscular endurance, or decreased core control and instability. In many cases, there will be more than one cause to your chronic back pain. It is therefore really important that you address each individual cause in your individual tailored program to get the best results. Once the causes have been identified, the process of changing these can start to begin. In a lot of these cases though, the changes occur over a period of time. Strength, for example, takes a good 6 to 8 weeks to have significant changes or effect. Programs such as Pilates, yoga, or gym training can be very beneficial as well. They give you a structured environment and a structured class to follow on a weekly basis, and it's also fun in a specific environment with like-minded individuals. As I mentioned earlier, the most important thing is to find out your cause, address it, and stick with your program. Your program might involve changes to your daily habits or activities, as well as stretches or exercises, maybe 15 to 20 minutes each day. But if you stick with it, you'll find the results beneficial down the track. Remember, taking care of your own back, and your back will start to take care of you.